Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most luxurious, high-end motorhomes money can buy, the 2025 Newell Coach P50. Whether you're a road trip veteran or dreaming of traveling the country in complete comfort, this rolling palace redefines what's possible in the RV world. Let's explore what makes the Newell P50 such a standout. Exterior. The exterior of the 2025 Newell Coach P50 is as commanding as it is elegant. Measuring over 45 feet in length, the P50 has a custom-engineered monocoque chassis, giving it a low, sleek stance despite its massive size. The full-body paintwork is meticulously applied, with multiple color schemes and metallic finishes available. Massive panoramic windows, motorized awnings, and sleek LED lighting elements give the P50 a futuristic and premium appearance. The body lines are clean and aerodynamic, blending beauty with function for long-distance cruising. Interior. Step inside, and you're immediately immersed in luxury. The Newell P50's interior is fully customizable, with layouts that include expansive lounges, king-sized bedrooms, chef-grade kitchens, and spa-inspired bathrooms. Every inch feels bespoke. Premium materials dominate the cabin, think Italian leather, high-gloss walnut, heated tile floors, and marble countertops. Ambient lighting, smart glass panels, and high-end appliances from Sub-Zero and Wolf transform this RV into a 5-star suite on wheels. Performance. Underneath the beauty lies serious engineering. The 2025 P50 is powered by a Cummins X15 605 HP diesel engine, paired with an Allison automatic transmission. Despite its massive size, the coach handles with surprising ease, thanks to an active suspension system and electronically controlled air ride technology. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the power delivery is smooth and confident. It's built for long-haul performance, with a massive 200-gallon fuel tank to match. Safety features. Safety is crucial for a vehicle of this scale, and Newell delivers. The P50 includes a full suite of modern safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera system. The electronically controlled brakes and stability control system ensure safe handling even in tricky driving conditions. Additionally, the structural integrity of the monocoque chassis adds a significant layer of passive safety, offering better crash protection than traditional RVs. Unique selling points. What really sets the Newell Coach P50 apart is its customizability and craftsmanship. Every unit is built to order, meaning owners get to design their dream interior from scratch, from the floor plan and furniture to the color schemes and tech integration. It's also one of the few RVs to offer a full flat floor design throughout the cabin, thanks to its proprietary chassis. That means no awkward steps or raised sections, just seamless luxury. Add in features like a built-in washer and dryer, retractable smart TVs, integrated solar panels, and a premium Bose surround sound system, and you're looking at a true masterpiece of mobile living. Price. Luxury comes at a price. The 2025 Newell Coach P50 starts around $2.5 million, but depending on the level of customization, it can easily go well beyond that. However, considering it replaces both a luxury home and a vehicle, and comes with a level of exclusivity rarely matched, the price tag is justified for those who can afford it. To wrap things up, the 2025 Newell Coach P50 is not just a motorhome, it's an elite, mobile lifestyle experience. From its jaw-dropping exterior and ultra-luxurious interior to its robust performance and advanced safety, the P50 sets the benchmark for what a luxury coach should be. If you're looking to hit the open road without compromising an ounce of comfort, convenience, or style, this is the machine to do it in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Driven Vision for more in-depth looks at the world's most exciting vehicles. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.